Okay, so we're making some progress on assembling the Turbo Rocket Mark 6 unit in preparations for test. Here in this part 2, we've completed some of the hookups on some of the lines here on the aux downcomer lines and the fuel downcomer lines, and then tied these into the isolation valves, the cryogenic isolation valves for the oxidizer and then for the fuel. And so we've completed the button up on the tank sides here and the downcomer tubes, and so those are all sealed up, and we're going to be about ready for doing a leak check on both the oxidizer and the fuel tanks here. So that's all completed. We've also done the final kind of tighten up on the igniter side. I haven't said too much about the igniter side, but basically we're going to using torch igniter, a gaseous oxygen, gaseous hydrogen torch igniter. So that's going to come in from the fuel, gaseous fuel, which is hydrogen, and then gaseous oxygen over here. And then it'll have a spark igniter. And you saw that earlier in one of the previous videos on this YouTube channel. You saw the kind of static testing of the torch igniter. So that's what's going to be hooked up there on a Traverse. We'll get that installed, and you'll see that in just a few minutes. So anyway, so that's where we are, and again, steady progress on this, and we'll continue on, and you'll see those in subsequent parts.